In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion like a lightweight spreadsheet for tracking information. We'll start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This gives you a clean workspace dedicated to the information you want to manage. You can name the page based on what you're tracking, whether that's expenses, project tasks, content planning, inventory, or anything else. Keeping each tracker on its own page makes your workspace easier to navigate and helps you stay organized over time. Once the page is ready, add a table or database. In Notion, tables work especially well when you want spreadsheet style structure, but also want the flexibility of a database. This means each row can represent one item, and each column can store a specific type of information about that item. It's a simple setup, but it can become very powerful as your system grows. Next, create columns for the information you want to track. Think about the key details you need to see at a glance. For example, you might want a name column, a status column, a due date, a cost, or a category. The goal here is to build a layout that matches the way you naturally think about your data. Clear column names will make the table much easier to use later. After that, add properties like text, number, date, select, checkbox, or formula. This is one of the most useful parts of Notion because each property type changes how your data behaves. Text is great for notes or titles. Number works well for quantities or prices. Date helps with scheduling. Select is useful for labels or stages. Checkboxes are perfect for completion tracking. And formulas can automate calculations. Choosing the right property type from the beginning makes your tracker more accurate and easier to maintain. Now enter your data into the rows. Each row becomes a single record in your table, so take your time and fill in the relevant details. Even a small amount of data is enough to start testing whether your setup works well. If something feels unclear, you can always adjust the column names or property types as you go. To keep everything organized, use filters and sorting. Filters help you focus only on the entries you want to see, while sorting lets you arrange the table by date, status, priority, or any other property. This makes it much easier to review your information quickly. If you need calculations, add formulas. These are helpful for automatically generating values based on other properties in the same row. With that, you can use Notion like a lightweight spreadsheet for tracking information in a clean, flexible, and easy to manage